Q1. United Nations observes every year as World Day Against Trafficking in Persons. A. The 28th of July, B. The 29th of July, C. The 30th of July, D. The 27th of July, E. The 31st of July. Correct answer. C. The 30th of July. Notes. United Nations observes the 30th of July every year as World Day Against Trafficking in Persons. In 2013, the General Assembly designated July 30th as the World Day Against Trafficking in Persons to raise awareness of the situation of victims of human trafficking and for the promotion and protection of their rights. Q2. Bhoot Jolokia chilies from Nagaland exported to for the first time. A. Beijing, B. Berlin, C. New York, D. Bangladesh, E. London. Correct answer. E. London. Notes. A consignment of Raja Mircha, also referred to as King Chili or Bhoot Jolokia, from Nagaland, has been exported to London for the first time. Q3. Which airport has signed a 10-year partnership with the company IBM to set up the airport in a box platform? A. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, B. Bangalore International Airport Limited, C. Chennai International Airport, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, E. Guru Ramdas Ji International Airport. Correct answer. B. Bangalore International Airport Limited. Notes. Bangalore International Airport Limited, BIAL, has signed a 10-year partnership with the company IBM to set up the airport in a box platform. Q4. Who has been crowned Miss India USA 2021 at the beauty pageant? A. Roshni Tiwari, B. Arshi Lalani, C. Meera Kesari, D. Vaidehi Dongare, E. Rashmi Manral. Correct answer. D. Vaidehi Dongare. Notes. Vaidehi Dongare, a 25-year-old girl from Michigan, has been crowned Miss India USA 2021 at the beauty pageant. Arshi Lalani from Georgia was declared the first runner-up and North Carolina's Meera Kesari was declared the second runner-up. Q5. Which of the following state has launched a new initiative called the Pink Protection Project for the protection of women in public, private and digital spaces? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Gujarat, E. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer. A. Kerala. Notes. The Kerala Police launched a new initiative called the Pink Protection Project for the protection of women in public, private and digital spaces. Q6. IIT developed COVID RNA test kit called Covihome. A. Kanpur, B. Madras, C. Delhi, D. Hyderabad, E. Roorkee. Correct answer. D. Hyderabad. Notes. India's first rapid electronic COVID-19 RNA test kit that allows self-testing at home called Covihome has been developed by a research group at the Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Q7. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, for India in Property Consultant Colliers? A. Ramesh Nair, B. Swati Gupta, C. Sheetal Goyal, D. Dharmendra Singh, E. Sachin Kumar. Correct answer. A. Ramesh Nair. Notes. Property Consultant Colliers has appointed Ramesh Nair as the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, for India and Managing Director, Market Development, for Asia. Q8. Government announces reservation for OBCs, 10% quota for EWS in medical seats, A 30%, B 27%, C 33%, D 10%, E 17%. Correct answer. B 27%. Notes. The center has announced 27% reservation for OBCs and a 10% quota for students from the economically weaker sections, EWS, for undergraduate and postgraduate medical and dental courses under the All India Quota AIQ scheme, Q9. Who won the presidency of the 76th session of the United Nations General Assembly, UNGA? A. Maria Fernanda Espinosa Garces. B. Tijani Muhammad Bande. C. Volkan Bozkir. D. Abdullah Shahid. E. Miroslav Lajchuk. Correct answer. D. Abdullah Shahid. Notes. Foreign Minister of Maldives Abdullah Shahid won the presidency of the 76th session of the United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, Q10. Who among the following has won the National Women Online Chess title? A. Garima Gupta. B. Aanchal Sood. C. Shrija Sheshadri. D. Arpita Mukherjee. E. Vantika Agarwal. Correct answer. E. Vantika Agarwal. Notes. Vantika Agarwal has won the National Women Online Chess title. She scored 9.5 points from 11 rounds. Arpita Mukherjee of West Bengal took the second spot and Tamil Nadu's Shrija Sheshadri secured the third spot in the competition. Q11. Intel launches AI for All initiative in collaboration with A. CBSE. B. Niti Aayog. C. NPCI. D. NIAI. E. Delhi Board. Correct answer. A. CBSE. Notes. Intel in collaboration with the Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE, Ministry of Education, announced the launch of the AI for All initiative with the purpose of creating a basic understanding of artificial intelligence, AI, for everyone in India. Q12. Which of the following bank license has been cancelled by the Reserve Bank of India recently? A. Dombivli Nagari Sahakari Bank Limited. B. Madgam Urban Cooperative Bank Limited. C. Citizen Credit Cooperative Bank Limited. D. GP Parshik Bank. E. Bharti Sahakari Bank. Correct answer. B. Madgam Urban Cooperative Bank Limited. Notes. The Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the license of Madgam Urban Cooperative Bank Limited, Margao, Goa, as the bank with its current financial position would be unable to pay its present depositors in full. Q13. What is the theme of World Day Against Trafficking in Persons 2021? A. Committed to the cause, working on the front line to end human trafficking. B. Human trafficking, call your government to action. C. Responding to the trafficking of children and young people. D. Victims' voices lead the way. E. Act to protect and assist trafficked persons. Correct answer. D. Victims' voices lead the way. Notes. The 2021 theme for World Day Against Trafficking in Persons is Victims' Voices Lead the Way. This year's theme puts victims of human trafficking at the center of the campaign and will highlight the importance of listening to and learning from survivors of human trafficking. Q14. Former England and Derbyshire bowler, has passed away recently. A. Ben Aitchison. B. Albert Alderman. C. Paul Aldred. D. Richard Alsop. E. Mike Hendrick. Correct answer. E. Mike Hendrick. Notes. Former England and Derbyshire bowler, Mike Hendrick has passed away. He played a major role in two of England's Ashes series victories and took 87 wickets in 30 tests for his country between 1974 and 1981. Q15. International Day of Friendship is observed globally on A. 27th July. B. 26th July. C. 30th July. D. 29th July. E. 28th July. Correct answer. C. 30th July. Notes. International Day of Friendship is observed globally on 30th July. This day is celebrated to mark the importance of friends and friendship in life.